How to make money online in 2022. Hey folks, this is Wesley Virgin. And listen, before I record this video, I want to be serious, okay? Pay attention, please. Please, I have a moment of silence for all the unfortunate brothers and sisters out in Ukraine. Prayers to them. As a matter of fact, it really hurts my heart of what's happening in Ukraine. I know I have a lot of friends in Ukraine. I have friends in the internet marketing industry. So if you don't mind, for like 2 seconds, let's have a moment of silence and comment below prayers to Ukraine. It's not their fault that this is taking place. So we want to send them our love from Virgin Media, my company, me. Much love to you. We're in your prayers. We pray that this entire fiasco with Ukraine and Russia will go away and you'll be okay. All right, so folks, what I want to do real quickly here, I want to show you how to make money in 2022 using something that's called agency accounts, okay? And this is something very new to you, okay? And this is something that I discovered maybe a couple of months ago, and I decided to try it here. And I want to do it and show you how to do it, okay? Is that cool? And listen, always comment below if you have any problems, any questions. I'm here. Maybe I'll start turning on my video so you can see me, right? Much love. I love you guys so much. And remember, believe that you can do it. If you ever want to make money online, you got to believe that it can happen. Yes, you got to build a skill. Yes, it takes some time. And some people do it quickly here, but if you believe in yourself and believe you can do it, you will. So the first step is just to go to google.com. This is very simple. And this is probably one of the fastest ways that I've seen so far of people to make money online in 2022. It's the new year, so we do have some loopholes that you can use, and I decided to do a video for it, okay? So type in Google Trends, okay? That's what you want to do first here. And let me show you proof here because I know you guys always want to know proof. So check it out. So what I did, this is a brand new account here. See, brand new. And I did $3,200 one day here. See that? And other than that, I did $400. And I haven't been like really active. What I do, listen, when I do these videos that you're watching right now, I make sure I try it out first, right? I want to test it so you will get results, all right? My goal is for you. But listen, you have to really pay attention to everything in the videos because if you don't, some crazy people, they skip through, they stop it, and they don't watch everything and you missed out. You have to get everything in here, every word in the video, because it's an instructional video for you to make money online so you can leave your job and start actually living and not dying. Make sense? Because all of us deserve to live a profitable, amazing, prosperous life. Can I get an amen? Smash the like button if you feel that way. So listen, this is my account. I made, it's a little money. It's not a lot of money, but let me show you how easy it is. So you go to Google Trends. Great thing about Google Trends, you can find out what's happening in the world and you can profit off it. And it takes no money. You don't have to spend any money to do this here. If you look here right now, unfortunately, Ukraine is profiting. You know, shout out and much love to all my brothers and sisters out there. We're sending you our love here. But you see here, you have CDC mask guidelines, Kendall Jenner. Well, the great thing about that, the world is focusing on these topics here. So what you do is you find a topic like this. And what you want to do is find out how you can profit, create a product, or maybe promote a product. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did and what I'm utilizing with this agency pay here to be able to do this. Check it out. So you go to clickbank.com, okay? And I got a little cold. I'm sorry, folks. And then go to Marketplace. Make sure you get a ClickBank account. It's worldwide. Anybody can get one. Now listen, for all my brothers and sisters outside of the ClickBank niche, or maybe in Africa, you can always find a brother or sister in another country that ClickBank offers. That's all you got to do. Okay, so stop crying and whining. Wesley, they don't have my country. I know you got a brother or sister, uncle, sister, friend in America, right? And tell them to create an account for you. Log in, you're good to go, okay? So you go to Marketplace here. Now listen, how many of you know what ClickBank is? Smash the like button if you know what this platform is. This platform have made me a multimillionaire 10 years ago, and I thank God for it, honestly. It's great for beginners. So listen, if you're a beginner, stay right here and listen to everything here because this was the channel and niche and the platform that I utilized. Now, most people on ClickBank, when they're trying to promote products, they do it incorrectly, right? They just go here and say, well, what do I want to do? And all of these are agencies. These are like companies and niches. Agency is another word for niche, right? And these are different niches here. And what you can do is you can match a niche with a trend, right? And you can make money like in 24 hours. I'm going to show you how fast I did this here. So check it out. So you got health and fitness, green products, fiction. But the issue is many of you don't know what to choose to make the most money now, right? Because you might say, well, what do I promote? And let me give you the secret here. So you click this button here that says find products here. You see this list. Listen, this is very important. Write this down. Whenever you're promoting on ClickBank, it's important to look at gravity, okay? So that gravity, 1,000, that means a ton of people are buying this product, right? A ton of people are buying this right now, right? That means over 1,000 people that are brand new. These are not veterans, by the way, right? These are brand new people, newbies around the world. They're promoting and they're making a living. Some people making $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, some even $7,000 a month. Smash the like button or comment below. Let me know how much money you're trying to make per month, because you got to have a goal, whatever the goal is, right? And what we're going to do is, if it's cool, smash the like button. If this is cool, let's make $300 a day, right? Because if we can do that, we'll make $9,000 a month. I made $3,200, and I know you can do $300. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here. So remember, whenever you promote ClickBank type of products here, you want to look at the gravity. If it's a high gravity, well, you want to promote it, period, okay? So what we're going to do for this video here, because I want to just give you what I did, what's working for me right now, is this cool. Java burn. Click on promote, and you're going to open up account nickname is your account name, generate hop links, and copy that. Well, that's how you get paid, because you guys want to know, well, how do you get paid? Right here, you get paid from this link, and the money goes right here. Let me show you proof. So you can, because people always asking, well, Weston, how do you get paid? Look, see here, paychecks. It goes right to your bank account, crypto account, PayPal, whatever. So this guy got to pay me here to $3,000. Not too bad, right? 3 G's, whatever. But imagine you getting that $3,000 by doing about 5-10 minutes of work right here. So check it out. So let's get into it. So. Sure how simple this thing is, right? It's cold in Houston, Texas. If it's cold in your country, smash the like button, because it's cow. It's cacao. Check it out. So scroll down here, and we're going to basically make money with Java Burn, okay? Click on affiliates, okay? And they're just going to make it easy for you, right? Click on affiliates here, and let's see if they give us what we want. They're not giving me what I want, because what's important whenever you're promoting this stuff, you want to make sure that you're getting the actual tools. So let's click on Dentox as well. Nope, they're not giving us the tools we want. The tools are, well, we need to get the creatives, right? So we can make money faster here. Glyco Trust, it's another product doing very well. Okay. So look at it. This is powerful here. So imagine you can do it 2 ways. If you have email swipes, you can use these emails right here. Mail your list. You're guaranteed to make money, 100%. I will pay you money if you don't. But maybe you don't have an email list. Say, Wesley, I'm just new. I don't know what to do. This is the fastest, easy way to do. Click on this link here that says animated images. This works very well. Just how I brought in a couple of $1,000s with a couple of products. So I promoted the Glucose Trust. I think a week ago I made $400 here that I can show you right here in that account, right? If you want to see it, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, $454 here. Okay, so check it out. I'm sure how simple this is. So these are GIFs, right? These are animated images that you can use, and you just post it on freaking Facebook, right? I mean, honestly, it's just that easy here. Let me show you. Look, you click on it, you download it here, right? Download it to your computer here. Okay. Once that's done, right? Then what you want to do is to make it faster, you just go to best performing swipes. Now you got to make sure you follow what I'm doing here. Do it exactly how I'm showing you here, and copy this email. Okay. It's going to make sense in a second. And it's worked so fast. I mean, I've had people that are like 21 years old earn money from this. Okay? On the Facebook. No one's doing this, trust me. No one's doing it. The only people that's doing it are the people that's actually making money. And that's going to be you. So check it out here. So this is where it gets fun here. You want to go. I'm just typing glucose here. Okay. See, glucose goddess, go test, whatever, right? Glucose monitor here. And, sorry, you want to go to groups here. My apologies. Groups. And you want to join all these groups here. And, you know, the people that says groups don't work, BS, they work. They work very well. And everybody that says it doesn't work is probably because it's other people that's it working for, and they don't want you to do it, but it worked very well. Because these are real people, right? So when you're joining these groups here, I mean, these are not imaginary people that are in these groups. These are real people that you're going to market to, you know, on a daily basis here. So what we're going to do is we see a group here, 2,000 members here. Great. Join that group here. Join. Right? They're going to approve you, and then you want to do your first post. And remember that image I told you that we just downloaded here? Well, it's that simple. Look at that. You just put it in here, and the program already did the copy for you. See? It's automated, and you just copy this in. It's crazy, right? And what you say is right here, DM me below to learn more. Just change the verbiage here. Even though it's an email, but you can use this. This is a sneak way to use copy from email in Facebook, right? Just DM below to learn how, and you just post it. Boom, you post it, and all those people, they're gonna read it and they're gonna say how. Then all you do is you just send them your link. That's it. I mean, these are like hundreds and hundreds of people, if not thousands, are gonna come in every single day. Now check it out. Now, wasn't gonna show you this, but it is an easier way. As a matter of fact, instead of talking about it, because I know I always talk about it, but I never show you, how about I show you what I'm using? It's a software. It's available to you right now. It's going to make your life super easy. What I'm saying is within 7 days, it is no reason why you can't hit $1,000. Watch it out. Check it out. Here it is, Agency Pay. This is the software that I'm using right now. And basically, everything what I just showed you, this does it. In my description under this video, I left a link. If you want it, take it. This is the most powerful thing. Let me tell you why. If you want to create an insurance agency right now, say if you have a brick and mortar business and you want to create an online campaign within seconds, you get this. You click this button here, preview, and within seconds, you click this button here, all this information, they give you all the templates you need. Within seconds, everything is created for you. You're done. Say if you want to do a spa online, and this is online, an e-com business. You ever want to write an ebook? So imagine having a kit. It's already done for you, and they work because I'm using them honestly, and it just makes it easier using automation software like this for you to make money. Listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't guarantee you're gonna be rich, but I will guarantee you this: if you do this and try it and give it a go, if you look in the description in the link under, in the description in the link that's in my description below, get it. Agency Pay. If you use this, they have instructional videos. This will make your life easier, and a third grader can do this. And this is how, listen, before I made my first million, this is what I did. It was two type of people. It was one person that was always negative and pessimistic. Oh, I can't do this. It never work. Oh, my God. This is never working. Listen, but I was person number two. I invested a lot of money to know what I know here today. Okay? Now, listen. This software is usually $1,000, but right now, $17. I wish to God they had software like this when I was going through my journey. I spent over $100,000. I racked up debt on my credit card, and I never made money. I'm like this. What if this works? What if Agency Pay, you pay $17, it's in the link below. I'll leave a link, the first link under the video. What if it works out that you create your first agency online, which is nothing but a niche, a company to make money on autopilot, and you'll never have to get up in the morning and go to that job? Just think about that. Think about never driving your car, driving in traffic, going to work, never doing that, but just laying in your bed, relaxing, and waking up every morning, clicking a button here like preview, and they're bidding out the campaign for you, and we're talking about $1,000, $400, $500, because you're tapping into a niche using software that's doing it for you. So it's up to you. Much love. This is Wesley Virgin. Smash the like button if you got any value. If you want agency pay, what I would do, I'm going to create a video, and I'm going to give you access to Traffic Machine. You won't see this if you buy this right now. You won't see this unless you're the first 10 people. This is Traffic Machine, so what it does, it just sends you traffic automatically. They have bots, they have tools right on the internet that will send traffic that is niched. What I mean by that is, say if you got this kit, right? You click the button, it builds it out for you automatically. What it does with this Traffic Machine, it just sends people automatically, of people who are trying to lose weight and get fit, automatically to your website. So for the first 10 people that go in my description right now, click the link, buy it, $17, right? Nothing, right? A Chick-fil-A dinner, right? And I'm gonna give you Traffic Machine for free. It's like $100+ for this stuff. I'm gonna give it to you for totally free for the first 10 people. Hey, listen, you can do it. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go.